Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Dogecoin update today. And here you are. Dogecoin is moving pretty strong. But did you know, because today I was reading somewhere that SHIB has beat Dogecoin in market capitalization. I think in the past few days, SHIB made it up to 20 or nearly 28, $30 billion, and Dogecoin had like 20 billion. So yes, my guess is about SHIB maybe being the next Doge is probably right, but no one is actually going to take the place of Doge. Doge is huge. Now, we also heard uh, Elon Musk at one press conference or delivering this presentation, and he said that Tesla will accept Dogecoin as payment. You may actually pay for Tesla using Dogecoin. And he also added that Dogecoin to the moon. He also talked about Pepe and whatever. Okay, but today what I want to tell you is that whatever coin you have in your long-term bag, whatever coin you're buying for 2024 bull run, write in the comment the name of that coin, because you know what, buddy, I'm gonna actually pump that coin for you this time around. Okay, I'm gonna make sure that it goes to the moon, and we make you rich this time around in this year. Okay, anytime. So I'm pretty sure you have a coin that you really desperately want that thing to move to the upside. I mean, I want SHIB to go up. I actually want Dogecoin to also go to the upside. Anyways, I know this is too much conversation, and I'm getting really, really excited. Now, technical analysis for Dogecoin. Okay, let's do a TEA. All right, so Dogecoin finally has broken above this, resistance that got printed back in 4th of February. Now, there is an instance where you can actually say that your resistance also looks a little bit like this, probably. It's still not breaking above that resistance. And you also can say that it's actually like this as well, but it wouldn't be wrong to say that your resistance line also looks like this, because notice if you go back and zoom in here that this is also a pretty much a resistance place where you kind of wicked up there, you went down, you got rejected, you went down, you wick up again, and then you went to the downside. So it is still a struggle again right over there. But I actually have my own personal feelings that, you know what, there is a nice good formation of a bull cross, and this is a continuation pattern for Dodge, which is actually almost like a pennant right over here, or a flag. And I believe that, sooner or later we may actually pop up and we may see Dogecoin from there to there, and Dogecoin makes it all the way up to 0.37823. It's been a long time, and as I said in the beginning of the video, I'm in the mood of pumping things. Adam was born to pump coins. So name the coin you have, man. Just write in the comment. I'm gonna pump it. Trust me. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one in the office.